Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to deal with eBay restriction. So let's start with basically what is an eBay restriction. So this is a limitation that has been placed on your account. It's of course less severe than a suspension, but it still affects how you can use the eBay platform. And those restrictions can happen due to policy violations, poor seller performance. For example, if you ship your orders late, or for example, you have unresolved cases with your buyers. Also, restriction can be due to unverified identity or payment information, and the last reason may be because of high risk or new accounts with limited history. So now I have some steps for you how to deal with eBay restriction. And the first step is that you need to identify the type of restriction. So you need to go to notifications bar at the bottom side of your screen, and here you should see all the messages that you have, and you need to look for the message or alert titled something like action required, or for example account restriction notice. And read the details to understand why your account was restricted. And the second step is to basically contact customer support of eBay. So you need to go to my eBay section, scroll a little bit to the down, and click help section. Here you need to type in this type-in field, type restriction in the search bar, and tap on accounts restrictions and suspensions to read the policy. So that's all. And also I have extra tips how to avoid future restrictions. So you need to read and follow eBay's selling policies, and keep customer service response times fast. So basically you have 3 days to respond to your order, but you need to do that of course earlier, as fast as possible. Also, you need to ship orders on time and upload tracking to your buyers, and of course avoid listing items you're unsure are allowed. You know what I mean. So yeah, that's basically all for me on that topic. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.